Hello everyone, welcome to Sentence Diagramming 101. This video goes over exercise 2B3. So we're going to talk about the mood of all of the verbs. So the first thing we need to do is find all the verbs and then figure out what mood they're in. So if we go through, we have Truman's birth. All right, was recorded. That's our first verb, and that's indicative, just straight up indicating a thing. Moving on, we have consists. Consists is also indicative. Play. Play is indicative. To convince. Ooh, we got an infinitive here with the to convince. And then what is also indicative in terms of mood. It's a linking verb, but for mood it is indicative. Moving on to number 2, if he weren't scared, were scared, right, is going to be your, ooh, that's subjunctive with the weren't, right? Weren't scared, there it is. And then would have left, we ignore already because that's an adverb, so would have left is my verb, and that is indicative as well. So we have a subjunctive here. The if he were, it is the contrary to truth, right? If I were a rich man, kind of thing. But would have left is indicative. Moving on to number 3, we have people are sitting in a room. So what are sitting, indicative, just telling me a thing. To watch is an infinitive because I've got a to there. And then in theory, the to distributes, it's like math. So to watch and to control. So control is also part of an infinitive here. Then moving on to number 4, we have Truman begins indicative. To see, right, is infinitive. Who he thought, all right, so thought is indicative. Was is indicative. Begin is also going to be an indicative. And then to fall is an infinitive. Then moving into this one, oh, good times, we have some imperatives. So stop is an imperative, it's a command, and then do go, really, it's don't go, but the the nt here is part of the word not, making it an adverb. So really your verb here is do go, and it's also an imperative, a command, and the not is an adverb, and so is the there. And that has been exercise 2B3, verb